Hello students, welcome to the online lecture series on the information and cyber security. Myself Professor Tambe, and today we are going to discuss the some topics from the 6th unit, and the point is the cyber stalking. So what is meant by stalking? The dictionary meaning of the stalking is that monitoring or observing someone. Okay, but here is the cyber stalking is there. In the cyber stalking, the stalker. What do you mean by stalker? Stalker means the person who does this cyber stalking activity. It is called as stalker. Means the person can observe or monitor the any person's details or their accounts like email or any social media accounts by using the internet or any other electronic media. But cyber stalking means the main purpose of the cyber stalking is to harass the peoples. And in what way they are harassing the peoples? The best example of the harassing, all of you are aware of the, or all of you know the scenario nowadays. In that, what happens? Any unauthorized user can create an account on the Facebook, and on that account he or she will post some videos, some pictures, or some irrelevant messages related to that particular person to harass that person. But here, who are the most likely victims and offenders of the cyber stalking? Nowadays, if you observe, there is no specific criteria for the cyber stalking. Means which persons are get captured by the cyber stalker. In that, anyone, but out of this, mostly the females are get stalked. Okay, the next is a percentage wise cyber stalking calculation is given. In that, males are get 13% victims and females are 87%. Again, there is some age group is mentioned which are get victim. In that, 41 and over are get victims, that is 19%. Then 18 to 30 age group is of 54%. Then 31 to 40 age group is of 27%. Next point is, where does cyber stalking occurs? This is the main point, where this cyber stalking occurs. In that first point, as I said, the cyber stalker can use the electronic media or the internet to this type of attacks or this type of activity. In that, first is an email, next is a news group, internet sites, chat rooms, third party instant messages, and last is the service user profiles. If you see, related to email, many times you are getting some emails, or the person who is a victim, he is getting some emails from that particular stalker, or some irrelevant messages or irrelevant text or irrelevant images are get sent to that particular person. And next is, how does harassment begin? Here is some examples are given how the harassment is begin. In that, auction is there, then virus, website, news group, then instant messages, chat and emails. But here, if you observe, in that, email is having 39%, is the most weightage is given to the email. Then next is a chat is having 15%. Now next is a psychological reason, means why some persons are doing this type of activity. What are the psychological reasons why any person is harassing someone by doing some activities? In that, the basic points are jealousy, obsession, attraction, and last one is revenge.